Why don't we ever tell secrets at a dinner party? Because the potatoes have eyes, the has ears, and the beans stalk. Welcome, food lovers, to an exploration of the delightful world of mindful dining. Yes, we all enjoy the experience of dining out. The tantalizing aromas that greet you at the entrance, the vibrant colors that delight your eyes, the rich and varied flavors that thrill your taste buds. It's a multisensorial adventure that can rival any amusement park ride. But have you ever stopped to contemplate the health aspect of this gastronomic journey? Well, that's exactly what we aim to address here today. This guide isn't about taking away the joy of your meals, not at all. Instead, it's about assisting you to make choices that are informed and not just impulse-driven, because when you are aware, you can truly relish the best of both worlds. A meal that not only tastes heavenly, but also nourishes you from within. We'll be taking you on a virtual tour of the healthiest restaurants in your vicinity, giving you an insider's view of what makes a restaurant truly healthy. Is it just the ingredients, or does the cooking technique also play a significant role? We'll be delving into all of these aspects, and that's not all. We'll also be sharing some of our personal favorites. These are the restaurants that have managed to strike a perfect balance between taste and health, and we are sure you'll love them too. Are you ready to transcend the usual experience and enter a world where taste and health coexist harmoniously? Let's embark on this culinary adventure together, discovering how to eat out without compromising our health. And ever wonder why a salad costs more than a burger? It's not just because it's trendy or hip. Eating out often conjures up images of indulgent meals and excessive desserts, possibly accompanied by a cocktail or two. But have you paused to consider the positive impacts of choosing a healthy restaurant? First and foremost, the nutritional value of the food you consume significantly affects your overall health. This fact is undeniable, and it's why restaurants that prioritize health use fresh, whole ingredients in their meals. Ingredients that are bursting at the seams with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are not just beneficial to your body, but they also contribute positively to your mental health. Nutrient-dense food can provide a much-needed boost to your energy levels and significantly improve mood. Selecting a healthy restaurant, however, isn't just about the nutritional content of the food. A broader perspective reveals that it's also about supporting sustainable practices. Many health-conscious restaurants are dedicated to adhering to environmentally friendly methods. They source locally grown produce, and meats are ethically raised. This approach doesn't just lessen the carbon footprint, it also provides a boost to the local economy by supporting homegrown farmers and businesses. Furthermore, these health-focused establishments often provide a diverse variety of foods. They cater to various dietary requirements and preferences, so whether you're a strict vegan, adhere to a gluten-free diet, or simply want to consume less processed food, you will still have a plethora of options. You can enjoy a tasty meal without compromising your diet. And it's important to remember, eating healthily doesn't necessarily mean compromising on taste. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Chefs in these restaurants typically excel in maximizing the natural flavors of their ingredients. They create dishes that are as they are nutritious. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Healthy food is more expensive. Yes, you may pay a bit more up front, but think of it as an investment in your health. Opting for nutrient-rich foods now could save you a fortune in future medical bills related to a poor diet and unhealthy lifestyle. In conclusion, the benefits of choosing a healthy restaurant extend far beyond the plate. It's about committing to nourishing your body, supporting sustainable practices, and experiencing a variety of delectable foods. Choosing healthy restaurants isn't just about the food. It's about embracing a lifestyle that is beneficial to your health, the environment, and the local community. Not all greens are created equal. We're about to embark on a journey to uncover the secret to distinguishing the healthiest restaurants around. Now, you might be scratching your head, pondering with intrigue, how does one decipher a healthy restaurant from an unhealthy one? The riddle is solved in three crucial cornerstones: the variety of menu options, the authenticity and source of the ingredients, and the validity of the restaurant's reviews. To start things off, let's analyze the importance of menu options. The menu is essentially a reflection of a restaurant's dedication and commitment to health. You'll want to identify menus that present an array of plant-based dishes, lean proteins, whole grains, and an assortment of fresh fruits and vegetables. The more diverse the menu, the more likely the restaurant is committed to promoting health. However, Let's throw a cautionary note here about the deceptive salad traps. Those seemingly innocent salads that are stacked with high-fat dressings, deep-fried toppings, or portion sizes that could feed an army. Never forget, not all salads are as virtuous as they seem. Next, we dive into the intriguing topic of ingredient sourcing. A genuinely health-conscious restaurant values quality over quantity, choosing locally sourced organic and in-season ingredients. Such establishments frequently collaborate with local farmers and food producers. This not only ensures that the food served is fresh and nutrient-dense, but also supports the local economy. Don't hesitate to ask your server about the origin of their ingredients. You might uncover some fascinating facts. Lastly, we land on the intriguing world of restaurant reviews. Pay close attention to reviews that drop words like fresh, organic, nutritious, or whole foods. These are usually indicators that the restaurant values health. However, be aware of the potential for biased reviews. It's always a wise move to cross-reference multiple sources to get a comprehensive perspective. But let's not forget, health isn't just about the food on your plate. A truly healthy restaurant also cultivates a positive dining environment, fostering mindful eating habits by encouraging patrons to each bite and truly relish their meal. So, there it is, a comprehensive guide to identifying a healthy restaurant. It involves peering beyond the surface, decoding the nuances of the menu, understanding the journey of the food from farm to plate, and interpreting the honesty of restaurant reviews. Remember, the devil is in the details. Spotting a healthy restaurant is an art, and practice makes perfect. Before we dive any deeper, here's a quick reminder. If you're finding this guide helpful, don't forget to tap that like button. To keep journeying with us through the world of wholesome dining, hit that subscribe button. We're always eager to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to leave a comment. Have a favorite health focus you think we should try? Let us know. Your recommendations help us continue to explore and share the best in nourishing meals. With your support, we can continue our shared journey towards healthful dining experiences. Now let's continue our journey to the world of healthy dining out. Now that you're armed with knowledge, it's time to explore some top picks for healthy restaurants. To embark on nutritious journey, our first stop is the popular vegan hotspot, Green and Lean. This outstanding restaurant is a sanctuary for vegetarians and vegans, providing an extensive menu brimming with dishes that are as delectable as they are beneficial for the body. Each dish, meticulously crafted with love and a keen eye for balanced nutrition, guarantees a wholesome experience. The restaurant's menu ranges from the heartwarming lentil soup, bursting with flavor, to their vibrant Buddha bowls, beautifully presented with a variety of colorful and nutritious ingredients. And if you have a sweet tooth, you're in for a treat. Green and Lean also presents a selection of raw desserts that are not only delightful, but also guilt-free. These desserts are made with the freshest natural ingredients, transforming what would usually be a moment of indulgence into another chance to nourish your body. Next up, we have Ocean's Bounty, a seafood connoisseur's paradise. This restaurant is a beacon of sustainable dining, committed to sourcing their array of fish and shellfish sustainably. Their efforts not only ensure that you're treating your body right, but also contribute positively to the environment. Their renowned grilled salmon with quinoa and vegetables is a crowd pleaser, a perfect fusion of omega-3 rich fish with high-protein quinoa and a colorful medley of vegetables. Third on our list is Grass-Fed Goodness, A for the carnivores. With a focus on ethically sourced meat, they serve up dishes made from grass-fed beef and free-range chicken, paired perfectly with fresh, organic vegetables. Their menu exemplifies how meat can indeed be part of a healthy diet when sourced responsibly, and paired with nutrient-dense sides. Next, we suggest Global Gastronomy. This unique eatery is ideal for the adventurous foodies who take pleasure in sampling dishes from various cuisines. Their menu spans the globe, offering unique and exotic dishes, all with a healthy twist. Whether it's a quinoa-stuffed bell pepper from Mexico, a bulgur wheat salad from the Middle East, or a stir-fry full of vibrant vegetables from Asia, get ready for a healthy culinary adventure. Last but not least, we introduce Nutritious. This inclusive restaurant caters to an array of dietary needs, from gluten-free to dairy-free, and from low-carb to vegan. Their goal is to ensure that everyone, regardless of their dietary restrictions, can enjoy a delightful meal out. We must remember these are just a few examples of the numerous healthy eateries out there. The key is to find restaurants that prioritize quality ingredients, balance macronutrients, and cater to your personal dietary needs. Food isn't just fuel for our bodies, it's about savoring flavors, discovering new cultures, and creating memories around the table. Eating out doesn't have to be a guilt trip. With these restaurant picks, you can enjoy a delicious meal and still stay on track with your health goals. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single bite. That's the spirit driving our mission today. We've kick-started a flavorful journey into healthy dining. We're diving into the reasons why it's crucial to opt for health-focused eateries and how to spot them. We've handpicked a few wholesome dining places for you that go beyond salads and smoothies. They offer a fusion of taste, experience, and overall wellness. But remember, this is just the beginning. A world of healthy dining awaits your exploration. It's time to take the first step, or, in our context, the first bite. Let's redefine dining. It needn't be a guilty indulgence or a cheat day. It can be a regular part of our healthy lifestyle, an opportunity to fuel our bodies with the gastronomic delights offered by local restaurants. Therefore, go out there and start your exploration. Experiment with new dishes, dabble in various cuisines, and practice mindful eating. And in the process, share what you discover. Let's build a community that values health and flavor equally. Remember, every bite counts. Stay healthy, stay happy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy dining. Happy